Yeah, what's up, man? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna talk today, man, about different way of trading the forex stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah, a lot of people don't really know that there are different way and different approaches to the forex. So now I'm talking to the beginners. I don't know, but now we're gonna explain it better. Different ways to trade the forex market. Okay, you might be the one that is like, maybe you're taking signal. Yep, that's good. And you might be the one like maybe you've gone to learn and you got your own strategy, you're using it. That's another way to trade the forex market. But we want to talk about whatever it is, the way, whichever you belong. I'm going to blend everything together right now. You understand? And everything is going to be based on what is a signal and how to take a signal. You understand me what I'm saying now? You know, it's one thing to be given a signal and you take the signal and you trade in it and you don't really know what type of signal that is. Maybe it's a momentum, or maybe it's a direction. You know what I mean? Now, what I mean when I say like, momentum signal, you understand? Those are the kind of signal that, when it is given to you, it's based on the moment, what is going to happen at the moment. It has to move immediately. That is momentum. And that is what the scalping people, the scalper trader, that's what they use to scalp the market. It's momentum. You understand? Now, I'm gonna I'm gonna divert a little bit. But when we talk about something that looks like let me say